Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Children, now we will do letter and application writing. Now definition. Letter is a written message sent by post or messengers. Letter writing is an art like painting or sculpture. It is perhaps the oldest means of communication. Letter writing जो है वो communication का oldest mean है. The letter is the easiest and the simplest form of communication between two persons. Letter writing plays an important role in the lives of men. Letter के थ्रू से हम क्या करते हैं? Communicate करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह. The two important things in the production of a good letter are matter and manner. What we write about and how we write it are the fundamental features of letter writing. हमारा जो तरीका है लिखने का वो इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है. हम किस ढंग से लिख रहे हैं, कैसे लिख रहे हैं, उसके जो फीचर्स हमने यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो क्या हैं, दैट इज़ इम्पॉर्टेंट. द बेस्ट वे ऑफ लेटर राइटिंग consists in expressing simply and directly appropriate ideas in an essay, simple and elegant style. A letter has several parts. The address of the sender. It is written at the left upper corner. Date. It is written below the address. The salutation. It is written below the date at the left side. Date से नीचे left side में salutation होता है. The body of letter. It is what we want to say. It begins from below the salutation. A new paragraph. The subscription or complimentary clause. End में क्या होता है हमारा? Subscription या complimentary clause. It is written below the body of the letter at the left hand side. Left hand side में end में लिखा जाता है. The signature of the writer. It is written on the left below the complimentary clause. The address of the receiver. It is written on the envelope. Envelope के ऊपर जो receiver है उसका address. Salutation and subscription at a glance. Words used for salutation. Dear mother, father, dear brother, sister, dear aunt, uncle. Now, words used at leave taking to relatives. Your loving son, daughter, yours affectionately, yours loving brother, sister, yours affectionately, your loving nephew, niece, yours affectionately. अगर आप फ्रेंड्स को लिख रहे हैं, to friends, dear Mohan / Renu, dear friend Mohan / Renu, yours sincerely, your sincere friend. To the principal, sir, madam, yours obediently. Respected sir, madam, yours obediently. To little known people, sir, madam, yours faithfully. Dear sir, ma'am, yours faithfully. Dear sir, Ahuja, Shrimati Ahuja, yours faithfully. Now we will do letters. Write a letter to your father informing him about your adjustment in the new school. फादर को लेटर लिखना है, उनको क्या बताना है कि न्यू स्कूल में आपने किस ढंग से एडजस्टमेंट किया है. सेंट थॉमस स्कूल, बरेली. ईयर और सेशन डालेंगे यहाँ पे आप 2022 या 23. डियर पापा, आई रिसीव्ड योर डिटेल्ड लेटर अ फ्यू डेज बिफोर. You seem to be very anxious to know how I have adjusted with my new surroundings. फादर किस लिए वरीड है कि ये जानने के लिए कि न्यू सराउंडिंग में कैसे आपने एडजस्टमेंट किया है. पापा, I am delighted to inform you that I have started liking my new school. I am trying to associate with other students. Some of them have become my intimate friends. They are very kind to me. They help me They are very kind to me. They help me whenever I am needed. They all are good sportsmen. As you know, I have always tried to keep myself away from games and sports, but now I am actively participating in games. My thanks are to my friends who developed this interest in me. न्यू दोस्तों की वजह से क्या हुआ है, उसमें स्पोर्ट्स में भी उसका इंटरेस्ट डेवलप हुआ है. प्लीज टेल अबाउट दिस लेटर टू मम्मी सो दैट शी स्टॉप्स वरिंग ऑन दिस फ्रंट. कन्वे माई लव एंड रिगार्ड्स टू हर. योर्स सिंसियरली XYZ. Write a letter to your friend inviting him to attend the marriage of your elder sister. अपने फ्रेंड को आपको लेटर लिखना है जिसमें उसको इनवाइट करेंगे आप अपनी एल्डर सिस्टर की शादी को अटेंड करने के लिए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू विल राइट हियर एड्रेस, डे एंड डेट फ्रॉम वेयर यू आर राइटिंग. My dear, you will be glad to know that the marriage of my elder sister will take place next week. I need yours surely on this occasion. I have invited all the friends. They will reach here 2 days earlier. All of us have to make arrangements for the marriage. The program will clear everything. The marriage party will reach here on 25th October evening. We shall serve them with tea and snacks. The reception of Bharat will be at 8 p.m. on the same day. We have to give them the breakfast on next morning. The workload is very heavy. Please reach on time. I hope you will accept this invitation. Yours sincerely, XYZ. Now we will do applications. Now definition. An application is a formal request to an authority for applying something. Application क्या होती है? एक तरह की formal request होती है authorities के लिए. Write an application to your headmaster, principal, requesting him to grant you sick leave for 3 days. Now address to the headmaster, principal, Vivekanand Public School, Ranchi. ये receiver's address है. Then salutation, sir. I have been ill since yesterday, so I am not able to attend the school. The doctor has advised me for complete rest. Kindly grant me sick leave for 3 days. I shall be highly thankful to you. 3 दिन की एप्लीकेशन मांगी है. Now your name, yours obediently, dated, यहाँ डेट डाल देंगे और XYZ. Third C. Now next, write an application to the principal to grant you 2 days leave as you have an urgent piece of work at home. Urgent काम है आपका घर में तो आपको 2 days की लीव चाहिए. Now here will be address on the top, receiver's address to the principal, BK Public School, Delhi. Sir, Madam, respectfully, I beg to say that I have an urgent piece of work at my home. घर में क्या है? Urgent काम है. So I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for 2 days from today. Yours obediently, XYZ, Class 3. I hope it is clear to you now. It's time to revise. You can revise it.